Dear friends, the machine in this video I'm going to do is agent T on the Tryhackme. As you can see, I've already spawned the machine earlier, which IP address is 10.10.35.123. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You're greatly appreciated. So without further ado, let's just get started. We can switch into the Kali Linux VM inside the VMware. As you can see, to save time, I've already done the map scanning. I can zoom in the terminal so you can see what's going on. As you can see, I used the options like scene scan, the version scan, the default script scan. I used the option of ON to output the result into this file. Of course, the IP address has been changed a bit. So from map scanning, we can tell that there only one port open port number on the target, which is running HTTP service. Here, as you can see, we got the version information. And of course, we can use such as Sprite or Google to make some research to see whether there is any vulnerability for this version. I think, this version has user agent remote code execution, which sounds great. Before we do that, I'd like to do the immersion manually first, and then I'll come back to the exploit. So now we can open up our browser and put the IP address of the target into the address bar. Press enter. This is the admin dashboard. Although all of links are not effective at all. As usual, we need to check the source code of this page. This case doesn't reveal anything important. So now we need to do the furthermore immersion before we try to exploit this vulnerability, the user agent remote code execution vulnerability. For example, we can try to access robots file of this target. Not found. Next, we can use Nicto. Nicto can give very rich information about the web application. For example, like the banner. Also here, give us the header expound by header. Of course, from the map, we have already got this information. So I think this version, just as you can see over here, has a vulnerability what we can exploit. To save time, I will not wait. And if you wish, you also can run the GoBuster to do the directory immersion. And word list, GoBuster directory, and the option, extension option, something like this. Of course, I think we cannot get anything interesting. To save time, I will not continue to do the directory immersion. So how to do? Maybe we can, I mentioned earlier, we need to come to, this exploit. If you want, you can get the exploit code to the working directory and execute. But I can tell you, this code doesn't work very well, although we can get the initial foothold. So Yeah, I think the better way is to use the Google to get more resources about this exploit. As you can see over here, GitHub has the exploit, the backdoor, and also the reverse shell. You need to clone the code from the GitHub. Of course, I've already done that earlier. As you can see, yeah, this one. And so now we just run this Python's exploit. Python reverse. Let's press enter. Yeah, we need to provide or pass the target URL and attack IP and attack port number. Of course, we need to set up the listener first, right? After all, this exploit is used by or used to get the reverse shell. And now we can run, and we need to give the positional arguments. The first one is the IP address of the target, and then followed by the attacker IP address, and then attack port number. Press enter. Now we go back to this. As you can see, we have already got the root shell, although from the host name we can tell that we are inside the container. And now we need to do the local immersion. As you can see, we can get the flag because this room doesn't require us to retrieve or to get the root shell. So that's pretty much it about this video. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.